Okay, as you can see, the crab has so much detailing on her drawing, so don't mess up with this because it's so sensitive. And I always say that if you mess with the sensitive part, and that means you mess up with your drawing, and it will not look good in the end. So be careful when you're drawing with the sensitive. And now our little big, what is it, what it's called, I don't know, red color. I think it's called her his jaw or something else, I don't know. Like this, and also like this. And now her little leg, it has 6 legs and 2 hands. Like this. Okay. See, and now her this part, so I have a question for you guys. Have you ever eat a crab, fish or shark or octopus, something like this? But I never eat a crab, and I wish I would like to eat a crab one day, I hope. Okay, and now this little 3 dot here, some kind of blue something, and also her it's the greeny eyes to her. Okay, and now I'm going to use also this color for her, the shell line. I hope it is the shell line, it call whatever it is, I don't know. Okay, so it's almost done. And now inside her mouth, like this. So the crab is done, and now it's some kind of muddy things, or I don't know, whatever it is. So that's why I'm going to use some my oil pastel for this area, just like this, or some kind of mixing of fuel or something else, I don't know. It could be the gold from the drop from the without from this jar, it could be. So I don't know, I exactly don't know what is it. That's why I'm using this color. If you guys know what is it, just let me know in the comment section below. Okay. okay, this is it for the video, and I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.